In Luke 6:28, Jesus tells us to bless those who curse you, pray for those who abuse you. Some other versions say mistreat you or hurt you. Let me tell you what this looks like. A couple years ago, I was in the Middle East and I met a woman named Pauline Ayad. Pauline's husband, Rami, was the leader of the Bible bookstore in Gaza until he was kidnapped by radical Islamists and murdered. In the early days after Rami was killed, Pauline was full of anger and rage. But over a 5-year process, God brought her and empowered her to forgive Rami's killers. And Pauline didn't just keep that a secret. She actually posted online a message of blessing, a prayer for blessing to the men who had killed Rami. That wasn't popular, even with some of her own family members who said, "How could you do that?" But Pauline chose to be obedient and to offer blessing to the people who had killed her husband. I want to encourage you today to bless those who curse you. Pray for those who have mistreated you. And I want to encourage you also, if you're still trying to get to that point, trying to get to the point of forgiveness, that was not an easy road for Pauline. It is not an easy road for many of us, but the Holy Spirit can empower you to forgive and can empower you to bless those who curse you and to pray for those who have mistreated you.